Microsoft Teams, we now have the ability to cross-post into multiple channels. So whenever you're drafting a post inside of a channel within Microsoft Teams, you can now select other channels and kind of spread your efforts around into various locations. So let's see how that's done using my client down here. So if I want to type a new message, this is a test message, and I want to post that in multiple areas around Microsoft Teams, all I need to do is click down here at the bottom, the format button, the little A, and if I click on that, I can add a subject, I can format this as well, but I can click this button right here to post in multiple channels. If I click on that, I can select more channels by clicking that button, and then I can post in multiple locations. So Architects, Office 365, Collab. I can even post in other teams if I want to, General or somewhere else. So I can spread that message around with very little effort. So I'll go ahead and update that. And now I've got these 3 channels that is going to post. This is a test message. You'll see that it has been posted, it's now sending, and it gets this little indicator that says that this was posted in multiple locations. So if I go down to Collab and Apps, there is my test message right there as well.